Alright guys, 2013 Nissan Altima Coupe. What we got done on it for them? 4-cylinder. There's the factory converter up there. We put a high flow secondary converter there. Then ran a 2.5-inch system all the way back. Then we did a custom Y pipe for them, as you guys can see there. Very nice custom Y pipe and tailpipes out the back to duals with 4-inch tips. Came out really beautiful, really clean, as you guys can see. Look at that. Just beautiful. There's the old muffler system that was on it. You had some flex pipe tube all around, just, you know, wasn't good at all. So we cleaned it up for him, made it really nice, really clean for him. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. Nissan Altima straight pipe, 2.5-inch high flow cap. Wow, that sounds nice. It's nice. I like the 2.5 system. Here's sound decibels. Right at 114. 15. Heck yeah. Again. Go ahead and back it out. What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. Nissan Altima Coupe.